is born at that moment. A true friend is the greatest of all blessings. Friendship is the only cement that will ever hold the world together. Good friends are like stars, you don't always see them, but you know they're always there. Friendship doubles your joy and divides your sorrow. A friend is someone who knows all about you and still loves you. In the cookie of life, friends are the chocolate chips. Friendship is not about whom you have known the longest. It's about who came and never left your side. The language of friendship is not words but meanings. Friends are the family we choose for.
Siêu đây là nó tầng cái này.
Siêu comment bu dụ chỉ spider làm jelbit làm kiểu màu
Tham
cái đọ
cái chừng
có ôm một sợi khói
cái này vẫn rupa ha chỉ đang mà này.
Chỉ buồn
cái
anh guru baik iman abdi rumah tayat iman.